Hi and welcome back to PJ Maybe's YouTube channel. I'm going to do a pack opening. I've got a couple of random packs. I got one Rivals of Ixalan, I got two Oath of the Gatewatch, I got two Guilds of Ravnica, and I got two Ravnica Allegiance. There's only one card I'm really looking for in the Ravnica Allegiance set, and that is the Hydrod Crassus. It's the only card I've not got for that complete set. Rivals of Ixalan, I've got every card for that set, so not really bothered what comes out across that for that one. And when it comes to the Guilds of Ravnica, I've got a few of the ones that I've already been looking for. There's the Divine Visitation, I wouldn't mind a second one of that. So I'm not bothered what comes out of that. And the Oath of the Gatewatch, there's a couple of cards. The Zendikar Resurgent would be nice to get, and also the Kozilek. So there is a couple of cards I'm looking for, but this is just for fun, and I'll put prices if I get any of the mythic or rare that hit the top. But considering there's not a lot of high value cards in these, so even the Kozilek and stuff like that, you're only talking about a tenner. And with the Guilds of Ravnica, your same idea for things like Sacred Foundry and Assassin's Trophy, they're a bit of £10 as well. The Ravnica Allegiance, obviously you've got things like Smothering Tide. I've already got the Smothering Tide, but another one of them would always be handy, and that's usually about £15 to £20 as well. And within the Rivals of Ixalan, the Zakama, I've already got two of those. They're my deck, and the Immortal Sun. Getting another one of the Immortal Sun would be nice, or even Elendra, the Duskrose. I've got her, but it would be nice to get another one for another deck. So we'll see how we go. So let's see how the opening goes, and then we'll see from there. See you back soon. welcome back. That was actually okay, nothing fancy in it. Got 2 mythics and 5 rares. And from Ixalan I basically got the Primal Tide. Already got one, so it's just another one. One of the Ravnica Allegiance, I got a Tith Taker and an emergency power, which is one of the mythics. None of the two of them actually strike me as anything, but the best one is definitely the Kozilek. So I'd been wanting a Kozilek just basically to build a Eldrazi deck around it. So now I've got it, I can start building a deck around it. And the other one I got there was the Dread Defiler, which was the rare. And I got a couple of wastes. One of the wastes is one of the ones I've been looking for, so to complete the set of wastes I had. And the 2 rares I got, the other mythic and rare I got was Doom Whisperer as a mythic and Beast Whisperer. So actually 3 mythics in that 4 rares, so not too bad. And the Kozilek is definitely the best one there. Nothing of great value, nothing special. The Kozilek's about a £10 card, so other than that. But I got the 7 packs for £15, so just over £2 a pack, and that's including postage. And so it made my money back, and I got one of the cards I'd been looking for. So what do you think? See anything else in there that could be of use? Let me know. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you want to see more. And remember, I'm not old, I'm classic. PJ may be out.